Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Woman Lies About Her Identity 3 Times Before Attacking Police.
Vehicle, or we're going to pull you out of the vehicle. It's your choice. Okay.
Oh, this is an old timer. Gonna get her together.
Put her head this way.
On December 31st, 2023 in Florida, officers were on patrol when they found a white Cadillac SUV in the Walmart parking lot with a stolen Florida license plate attached. Dispatch confirmed the tag was stolen out of Orange County. Inside the vehicle was a white female passenger who initially refused to step out when ordered.
Stolen. We'll have her come out and...
She's not coming out. She's alerting him and everything.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, come on out with us.
Why? What's up?
Stolen tag, that's why.
It's not my...
That doesn't matter, you're part of it now. So let's go.
What the no, what did I do?
Step out or get
Let's go.
out.
Where am I going?
We're just coming to the back.
For what?
Because
what am I doing?
You're a part of it now. That's a stolen tag, right?
I don't know.
Now, here's what we can do. You can come out with us right now, or we can put you in handcuffs, and then you're going to go with us. Right? So which one seems easier?
Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Where am I going?
You're not going in handcuffs. We're just going to have you come out of the vehicle. That's it. If you want to just come out with us right now and get out, we're just going to have you stand at the car back here, and then we're going to figure this out. Now, if you don't want to...
No, I'm going to. I just wanted to know if I was going somewhere.
No, right now you're not. We just need to figure out where that tag came from. So the car's not stolen. Just the tag is for whatever reason. Okay. All we want to do is figure it out.
Okay.
I'm not here to put you in handcuffs right now. But if you don't want to get out and...
No, I will. I was just making sure.
Perfect.
Let me get my my charger and my stuff.
Now, who is he to you? What's his name?
I'm not answering no questions. Like, what the f***? This is ridiculous.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, It's telling me to get out of the car. Huh?
Hey, you can leave the bag.
No, I don't know.
You can leave the bag. Just come on out. Like I said, we're not putting you in handcuffs. All we're trying to do is figure out what's going on. That's it.
She's stalling.
Alright, let me just... Huh? God dang, they're right here trying to get me out of the car and...
Just leave it. Just leave the bag.
Why do I need to leave my stuff?
Because you're not going nowhere with us.
Okay,
You don't need it right now. Just leave it right where it's at, and then we're gonna just step back here and talk.
Okay, babe.
Will he come out? Tell him we're not trying to put him in cuffs either.
Babe.
We want to know where the tag came from. That's it.
What? They're telling me to get out the car.
I told you.
Okay.
Leave the bag in there for now.
I will.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Walmart has the best cameras there are. We know who. All we gotta do is go talk to loss prevention.
Yeah.
See who came out in the car, and then we can just go find them, or he can just come out and talk to us.
That thing is, yeah.
Just have him. You're not in handcuffs. We're not trying to put him in handcuffs. Just come talk to us.
He just wants to talk to me. That's it.
And the sooner he comes talk to us, the sooner we can figure this out and move on.
He's with the mechanic.
Where's the mechanic? Inside?
Oh, he's about to go get the part.
So what? You guys came and just parked here, and then he left you?
Just broke down.
Okay. All right.
Can I get my phone?
Yeah, we're just gonna sit it right here for you. I'll let you hold it.
Thank you. This is so stupid.
He said he found it?
No, he's saying they went up to O'Reilly's real quick. Why'd y'all park here? And he's O'Reilly's. Come back here?
She doesn't have anything anywhere. They should go for the store, so she's not coming.
Okay. Hey,
She is?
here's where we're at. You are detained for a crime. Okay? You want to give us a fake name? You want to not tell us your name? We'll just take you to jail. And then they'll fingerprint you, and then they'll tell us your name. But you're still going to go.
Why am I going to
I'm not saying you're going. I'm saying if you want to give us a fake name, if you want to give us no name, listen, you're detained for a crime. We can do it. We can put you in handcuffs. We can take you down there, fingerprint you, and then they're going to tell us who you are. Or just be straight up with us. Like, what's all this lying? You know your man's done let you here by yourself. You know he ain't coming back. We know that too. So, you want to work with us, or are we going to do it the hard way? That's what it comes down to.
I just don't understand why the...
It's a stolen tag. So let's try it again. We're going to pretend you didn't give her no name, right? Because you giving a fake name to law enforcement, that's a crime. So we're going to pretend you didn't give it to her. So you're going to give me your real name. And then we're going to figure this. All right, let's... All right.
Yo, chill out, bud.
Yep, get her together. Get her together. Won't play stupid games.
When asked for ID, she claimed her name was Asia Warren, to which dispatch found no record. She repeated a slightly altered DOB, still no match. Dispatch then mentioned a different name, and she suddenly adopted that identity too. Problem: that name belonged to a black female, and the suspect was white. At that point, officers concluded she was intentionally lying.
Real quick.
Get back on the ground like
I don't give a... That stupid ass.
Alright, you're under arrest for resisting, battery on LEO, providing false information. I will be searching you.
You.
I don't know if anything's in this one.
Oh, so ass. Yes. Got it.
I love when they slam the door, when they, like, when the suspect is talking, they just slam the door and pretend like they don't even. That's the best part. That's really funny. But yeah, come on. Officers been doing this for way too long, man. They know the boyfriend ain't coming back. As soon as you told them, oh, they're here for a fake tag or whatever. Oh yeah, I'll be right out. I just went to the mechanic real quick. That boy is gone, man. Gone, man. Let her take the charge. She stole the car. She took the plate, man. Long gone, man. See, this is why it's important. You gotta do a thorough, background check on your significant other, man. I'm telling you. Not literally do a background check, but you gotta know what they into, man. If you know they on the wrong side of things, listen, they just gonna drag you down, man. Drag you down. Are you okay with that? It seems like this lady is okay with it. She act ratchet. She act, the way she acting. Yeah, she's okay with that, but that's just gonna bring you a life of destruction, man. I ain't gonna lie.
What we got going on here, ma'am?
So she was in the passenger seat. So we got her out. We're like, hey, you're part of it. She was uncooperative from the start. We got her out. We found out when she threw the phone was we got the point. She's telling him not to come back out. So he's inside. He's by the auto stuff. She won't tell us who he is. She came out. I don't even remember how she started. Oh no.
Wow. She told him I'm thinking he just not gonna do it, but she told him not to come out. So this is she ready to take the charge for her man. That's crazy.
Because she gave me wrong information first about who she was. He gave her another opportunity to forget about the first one, and he did it to her too. Dispatch came back with her name, and she said, yeah, that's me. So then he went to go detain her, and she started fighting, and she hit you a couple times.
Yeah, she swung him. She landed on the desk, but she a few times before we
roundhouse.
Yeah.
I haven't fixed it. So I have the providing false information, battery LEO, and resisting. Pardon me, ma'am.
And then plain view too. So
Walmart. Yeah, there's ashes on the
There's
floorboard. It
actual-
smells like weed.
Okay.
in the cup holder on the door is right there too.
Have we ran the VIN to see whose car it is?
Vin comes back 10-4. The guy, she called baby daddy or whatever it is. He talked to me. He's like, yeah, it's owned by Brian, which that's who it comes back to on baby or whatever. He told me his name was Lester. So Lester. And then I got the phone number. She handed me the phone to talk to him, so I just remembered the phone number from. She handed it, yeah. Whenever she handed me the phone, so he said, "Oh, I'll be there in 15 minutes." But he's inside somewhere.
Yeah. I'll send him.
Oh yeah. But LP's not here, so we can't go check the cameras to see
Yeah, who we can remove.
who leaves the area at the same time.
I don't even remember. She probably like elbowed me in the process, but she was mainly punching me, and then she was fighting too much. I had to put her on the floor, and it was pretty much it.
Yeah, she landed a couple on my chest. I got a joint right here, or blunt, whatever, with the weed. What, you got something?
No, I just wanted to make sure. Actually, yeah, I think so.
What do you got?
I think it's or yo.
Hey, I'll call out every time.
I don't know. I mean, it was in there, but it could be just a random rock, but it was in where all the is. Yeah. It's either but I was gonna check the other side.
Is it easier to get him over there? Crazy. What's your name again, Asia?
Let me in here.
You know my name? No, I don't. I just got here. Anyway, I'm Sergeant Coleman, so you can slide out of the vehicle.
I said I won't take it no more.
Well, you said that before, and you're
I
still
said I'm not
kicking.
taking it no more.
You can either slide out of the vehicle, or we're going to pull you out of the vehicle. It's your choice. Okay. Put her head this way.
Crazy, right? Get out of here. What?
She's out of cuffs.
I got her on. I'm going to take her out. Wow, the boy.
Come on, just take it easy.
Y'all, wow, it's for real.
Take it easy. Go easy. Take
Y'all crackers.
Go tight. I'm sure that other one's tight.
Yep.
Playing some music over there.
Who's missing a camera? They're stuck it on the floor.
me. Sorry.
Look at her fingernails, man. All black. Look at that. Oh, that's nasty work. Look at her fingernails, man. All black, nasty stuff all up under her nails. This is nasty work, man. Nasty work.
On the outside.
Yeah, just take it off the door.
Get the hell out of the pool.
Pretty good evidence of battery Leo.
Damn.
This ain't got a hole, I guess. My name isn't.
I don't give a
She slipped out of it.
Yeah.
She hit you.
y'all be catching.
Captain.
Where?
Hey, someone get the other door.
By the end of the encounter, investigators determined there was probable cause to charge the suspect with 3 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 3 counts of resisting an officer with violence, possession of drug paraphernalia under Florida law. According to the authorities, the charges stem from the suspect striking multiple officers during the attempted detention and from the discovery of crack and a glass pipe inside her purse during the vehicle search. If you want more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next.
Yeah, this is nasty work right here, man. She took the charges for everything. Oh, man. Ah, golly. What goes through people's mind? It's just like, those are some serious charges too. Possession of that rock. That's not no light charges neither, but you know, whatever, she deserves it. She seemed like she don't give a crap, so why should anybody else? I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.